Before starting this e-Yantra competition, I wasn't sure about my own skills. But after participating in this team and getting to know about all the Verilog things and all the technical stuff, it gradually boosted my self-confidence.
We did this last year also. We got a very good exposure. After that, I started doing some my own projects, some side projects.
Actually, we wanted to build something on our own. We actually felt that
we can try. At least we can try.
We can start
and
with something.
In the route of doing our trial and error, we have this confidence that somewhere in between this process, we will get the results.
We got the confidence to actually build something.
I'm a person who usually prefers working alone, but this time working with them made me realize that teamwork is actually better and works actually happen faster when you work in a team.
Whether we are winning or not, that doesn't matter in competitions like this. It's just the journey.
When the things were not working as we directed, there were many bugs that we cannot solve. Basically, you don't have to give up. You have to continue with the process. You can ask the theme developers, and there was a forum which was very helpful.
If we talk about any competition in general, first you have the skill and then you compete on the basis of skill. But in eYantra, you don't have the skill. You learn the skill and then you compete. So that is what makes the eYantra different.
It's actually a roller coaster ride because sometimes it goes like it is going very high and suddenly it just collapses down. Not just that, you have to actually do your college, friends, home, your studies. So you have to manage everything.
For the first time, seeing actually what we have programmed and seeing on the hardware actually working in real life, it was a great moment.
And the best part was that our CTO was actually working and giving us the path to actually for the bot to take the route and do exactly what we intended it to do. Like that was the best part. It was pleasure to see that bot actually working.
In my resume, I mentioned participating at eYantra. So most of the times they were curious to ask about what have you built, what were you doing with the project. 50% of the time was based on discussing about how the project works and how it was all you have learned about.
eYantra platform gives you an entire journey where you learn, you implement with a guided expertise and mentors who are going to push you past your limits and gives you a great motivation and teaches you a lot of lessons. One of the major lessons which I learned was never give up.
Try, like you try everything, you should try this also. It's a competition, but actually a learning process along the way. They'll provide all the materials to do things and they'll have a forum discussions and everything. They even have the meets to discuss what's your issue and everything. If you take one step, eYantra will make you go 4 steps further. If you are coming here, then don't let go of that motivation that you want to learn. If you have this feeling that you want to learn and then do something, then you should be a participant at eYantra because it's a very good place.
It's a great opportunity for you.